Ever felt overwhelmed with work and life? As if you're driving full throttle with the fuel gauge blinking empty? That, my friend, is burnout. It's a state of emotional, physical, and mental exhaustion caused by excessive and prolonged stress. But fear not, for today we're going to delve into 5 effective ways to deal with burnout. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Number 1, prioritize self-care. This is not a luxury, but a necessity. Eating well, getting ample sleep, and regular exercise can do wonders in rejuvenating your mind and body. Remember, your health is an investment, not an expense. On to number 2, set boundaries. It's okay to say no. Overcommitting can lead to stress, which feeds into burnout. By setting boundaries, you're respecting your own time and energy, which is crucial in preventing burnout. Moving on to the third way, seek support. You don't have to fight burnout alone. Reach out to your friends, family, or a professional therapist. Sometimes, simply voicing out your feelings can be a huge relief. Fourth on our list is to pursue a hobby or interest outside of work. This can act as an escape valve for work-related stress. Whether it's painting, gardening, or even playing a musical instrument, hobbies can provide a refreshing break from the daily grind. Finally, the fifth way is to take a break. Sometimes the best thing you can do is step away and recharge. A vacation, a short trip, or even a staycation can do wonders for your mental health. To summarize, dealing with burnout involves prioritizing self-care, setting boundaries, seeking support, practicing mindfulness, pursuing a hobby, and taking a break. These steps are not just strategies, but lifestyle modifications that can lead to a healthier, happier you. Remember, burnout is not a sign of weakness, but a signal that you need to slow down and take care of yourself. As you navigate this journey, know that you're not alone. There's help and there's hope. Before we wrap up, do consider subscribing to our channel if you found this content helpful. We're dedicated to providing you with practical, insightful content that can make a difference in your life. Until next time, take care, and remember, you're stronger than you think.